With Ashley and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. Super cute little card, I think. So let's get started. Supplies you're going to need is a standard A6 card base in Granny Apple Green, and then you're going to need some scrap Whisper White, and then you're going to need some Granny Apple Green, and this piece measures 3 inches by 5 inches. And this piece there measures 3¼ inches by 5¼ inches. So we're just going to stick these two pieces together to start off with. So let's just do that. Open my snail. Lovely. There we go. So now we can set that aside and bring back our scrap piece of Whisper White. And the stamp set we're going to use today is this one called Wildly Happy, and I actually got this as my Prize Patrol win at Telford on Stage Local in April, and I really love it. So we're going to be using this stamp set, little elephants, but you could also use the rabbits, foxes, pandas, whatever. So I'm going to be using Memento ink to stamp because we're going to be colouring using our blends, so we need to use Memento for that. So ink him up and stamp him. Yeah, lovely. Okay, so now we're going to colour him in, and I'm going to be using these two colours, which is basically the same colour. It's the Smoky Slate Light and Dark. Okay, and I'm also going to put you on fast forward for this, but just to let you know, I'll start off colouring everything with the light Smoky Slate, and then I'll use the dark one for the accents. So let's get started. Done. I actually also used for the grass here some Mossy Meadow Light and Dark as well. So there, we're done. So now I'm going to cut this out using these framelits called the stitched shape framelits. We're going to be using the largest circle from here. I'm just going to put that through my Big Shot. See? It's going to go around like that. And put that through my Big Shot, and then I'll be back. Okay, so that's a little image done. So I'm going to just set him aside for a second, and we're going to bring back our scrap of Whisper White, and we're going to just stamp here in the corner. And I'm going to be using this little stamp from the same set that's the Sweetest Baby, and we're going to stamp this in Granny Apple Green, and we're just going to stamp it here in the corner. Lovely, brilliant. Okay, and then we're just going to cut him out freehand. So let me get some scissors. Okay, so let's try and cut him out freehand. So it'll do. Don't think it looks too bad, but move this rubbish aside. Bring back our card base and our bits. So now I'm going to stick this down with some snail. There we go. Put that on the back, and then I'm just going to put this centered, but you know, a little bit to the left, I mean the right, and centered up and down, like that'll do. And then we're going to stick our elephants up using dimensionals. So let's put a few of these on here. It's quite a big image, so don't be stingy with the dimensionals. So that should do. Backings of these dimensionals do get everywhere, unfortunately. Yeah, everything's off the back. Stick that down, and then I'm just going to put some snail on the back of our sentiment. I'm just going to put that here in the corner, and there you go. Ooh, rhinestones. I forgot our rhinestones. Have to have a little rhinestone. So let's see. Have one of these. And just put at the end here. Lovely. Okay, so there you go. That's the one we just made. That's the one I made before. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any information about this project, it'll be on the blog post that goes with it on my website, and the links below. I've also started a Facebook group called All Things Crafty, Crafting with Ashi, and it's a place where we can inspire each other, share projects, ask questions, and so please do go and check that out. And again, the links are all below. Thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!